Each day begins with a rhythm check-in. You select your current emotional state and a specific feeling and complete a short micro task designed to reinforce daily awareness and momentum. And the system then generates a contextual identity cue matched to your tone and persona. You reflect and submit feedback. This shapes your rhythm, signature, and trend trajectory. Based on your trend and persona focus, RhythmOS recommends identity-aligned challenges, small behavioral nudges to reinforce your direction of growth. Users can read their current alignment with their chosen identity using daily 1 to 5 scale. And the persona selector allows users to consciously choose the tone and mindset they want to train with today, whether it's gentle like Rhea, directive like Salem, or visional like Aurelia. The inside page visualizes your rhythm evolution. It shows tone drift, signature feedback patterns, tag unlocks, and challenge completions across time. This creates a personalized feedback loop, not just about behavior, but identity shaping. Every action here feeds into your long-term growth map. We have a lot of analytical charts, and this is going to feed the ChatGPT in the future. In digest view, you review your weekly tone distribution, persona activation trends, and cue replace logs. It's a snapshot of how your rhythm is shifting and what you are becoming over time. And I built Rhythm OS to help people grow with rhythm, not pressure.